Bonus quality here. Let me tell you about this Lexivon digital laser tape measure. It is cool. It is cool. Speaking from someone who likes to do projects around the house, I'm always looking for my tape measure. Like something's going on, my wife asked me for something, I need my tape measure. But this one is so much better. Okay, first of all, let me tell you about the features. So to release this, which is sometimes kind of tricky, you have to have the push thing, the little tab you push down. This one is nice and smooth, works so well. Then the other part of it that's so cool is you hit the button on the side and it sends out the laser dot and it tells you how far it is away. Look at that. So cool. Like you can shoot it across the room and get the distance that you need without having to stretch the tape all the way out. It's amazing. This is my new favorite handyman tool. Hands down. I know, yeah, that's a pun. I love this thing. It works so well and it's so cool. It's so exact. I showed it to my dad and he was instantly jealous. I love this product. I highly recommend it.